Hi guys, Joe here. Today's video is going to be a quick little art sculpture that I seen on, out of all things, actually a Call of Duty game last night, and I was kind of like, ooh, I got a little bit of time this morning, so I wanted to maybe make it out, and I want to make it out bigger tubing. This I'm just going to make out some half-inch square bar, just because I have it laying around and left over from a job I just did. I don't know if you can make that out, but I took a picture on the game. It's a Call of Duty game, and it's just a big metal sculpture. And I was like, okay, I'll just make that. So the credit goes to whoever the developers are on the Call of Duty game. So I'm gonna make that. I've got order in for steel, so I can pick it up Monday. So I pretty much got today free. Besides, doing some other things. So I figured I would make this up just like a little sculpture. I like to make them small, and then if I like the design, maybe I'll make a bigger one out of some drops that I may have around, like some 4x4 tubing or something. I like to make the metal art because it keeps me busy. There's like virtually no downtime in the shop for me. I'm always got something to do. I always got things in the works where I got to make, like, I make these little robots, those little bomb guys, modern contemporary art for garden sculptures and stuff, and then I will sell them at art fairs, Jerd art fairs, and then I have a couple galleries that I supply with outdoor larger sculptures. So it's just a good way to keep the shop busier and keep me busy and keep money coming in and stuff. So this is just a little process where I'll make it little, and then if I like it, I'll make it big, and I'll just bring you guys along with me. So with that being said, let's get straight into the action. Yeah, so guys, all you need to make this sculpture, this is gonna be 5 inches by 5 inches. So you got 5 inch pieces, you got 4.5 inch pieces, and then your 4 inch pieces. So your 5 inch pieces go like this, your 4.5 will go here. So then you'll have your 5 by 5, and then your 4 inch piece will go here. And then at the end of it, it'll be something like this. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a pretty easy, quick little project that was made out of all scraps here. It's a little tabletop sculpture. I think it would look cooler if it was made out of like 4x4 tubes and the proportions were downsized a little bit, but on a grander scale. So that was the inspiration. And then this is what I came up with. I do like these little shapes, these like half cube things. Back here, I don't know if you can see it, but back here, no, I don't think you can really see it, but there's another sculpture I make these cubes out of that kind of reminds me of that. Yeah, it was a fun little, quick little project. Well, I had a couple hours this morning, so I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. I try to post weekly metal fabrication and review videos and stuff. So if you guys like that type of stuff, please subscribe. I have upcoming videos with another art piece of wall art. I just have to install it and I can upload the video. It's all done and everything. And then yeah, I got some pipe rail that's coming that I'll make a video for too. And then I also have like a big awning that I'll make a video for. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.